La da 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 da. La da 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 da.
Happy birthday, dear Jessica. Happy birthday to you. Well, she's bypassing the cake, going straight to the icing with that thing.
Happy birthday to you.
Fresh kicks and my favorite beats. Stepping out, living loud and free. Walk around like a brand new melody. Wake up to these better days.
One thing I love about waking up on my birthday morning are all the text messages, DMs, and Facebook posts wishing me a happy birthday. It's always an amazing way to start my day. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, big, huge welcome to you. Thanks for stopping by. Today, I'm going to take you along with me on my birthday this year, celebrated in quarantine, or kind of in quarantine. You'll see. If you haven't done so already, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. I make videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a bit of travel. One thing I have definitely been keeping up with lately is my skincare. You gotta keep that skin looking young. I've been obsessed with this mask from Algenist lately. It's a vegan, prebiotic, and probiotic color morphing mask that rebalances, detoxifies, and hydrates your skin, and it reveals a healthy, alive, and refreshed overall glow. I love that it only needs 5 minutes to do its work, and it is so fun to see how it changes from blue to pink on your skin.
And it keeps getting better. It only gets better.
Oh my god! I woke up to this on my exercise bike. If you guys haven't seen the video where I unbox this, you totally should check it out. It's amazing. Open everything, but I gotta wait till the hubby wakes up. How beautiful are these flowers? I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 32. Oh, I gotta go wash this off. BRB. So I'm just gonna chill. It's my birthday! I am 32, as my bad Taylor Swift singing joke insinuated. Am I happy about that? Not extremely, but I feel like once you've hit 32, you've come to accept the fact that you are in your 30s. And I know some of you watching this are probably in your 20s and you're thinking, oh my god, people in their 30s are so old. No, we're not. Stop that mess. I don't feel old. I don't feel 32. I feel 25, I think, or 28, somewhere around there. I have to wake Nate up in a bit because he's gonna go down to Brentwood to get my red velvet cake. And then I'm gonna just finish up finalizing the playlist, and then I need to start getting ready and packing. We are doing a little social distancing picnic with a couple of my friends in the park close to our house today. So it's supposed to be an absolutely beautiful day. It's like a high of 73 or something today. So I have a brand new dress from J. Crew that I'm gonna wear that just came in yesterday. So if you caught my last weekly vlog, you might have seen me try it on briefly. Excited to wear that. I bought so much stuff for this picnic, so I think I may have like a very aesthetic picnic on my hands, and I might have to write a blog post about it. So make sure that you check the description box below for that blog post if you're interested in like all the things that you need to get and to gather to have a very beautiful aesthetic little picnic date. It's a great option during like lockdown because, you know, you can just find a nice little park where there's no one around and enjoy some fresh air and the company of whoever it is that you are quarantining with. So, coffee. So Nate got me kind of a crazy gift this year. Oh, look at this. They're skate guards that turn my ice skates into sort of rollerblades. I've got them on my skates. Let's see how this does. They don't really perform exactly like how roller skates would, because I think just the way the wheels are positioned, they don't really have like edges on them, which is unfortunate, but still fun.
I'm an avid dreamer, coupling on a savior. Can you be my new sight? Can you make me alright? See you dressed in all white. I am coming alive.
As social distancing orders are still in place in LA, we just had a couple close friends come join us at the park for this little picnic. We all sat at least 6 feet away in a big circle, and honestly, it was so fun as seeing as how I haven't seen all these people's faces in months. So it was a real treat for me.
What makes me remember colors of yours? I can't imagine colors I've never seen before. To think your eyes are gleaming with 10,000 more reflections of your robe beat down upon my skin. It's the colors of your love. 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 You had me swept away. Blue skies made fade gray. You had me swept away. Caught in the current of a tidal wave. Blue skies made fade gray. But I find a rhythm at the break of day. Better yet, I find out what makes me forget.
And then I get one bottle of like Buffalo Trace normal size.
Look at that cheese board.
Killer cheese. What is this one? Is this one good?
That's brie.
And I started
Triple cream brie.
It doesn't last long enough.
Go with it. That cracker's good.
Go with this cracker?
Yeah, it's good.
Oh crap.
It gets expensive. But it's funny.
Delish. Alright, let's go cracker.
One, you see nobody there. The trucks show up at midnight. So if you went at 1:15 in the morning,
So Ashley and I are trying to hunt down one of those weed dandelion things that I can use as a candle to blow out, because I forgot birthday candles like an idiot. You'd think they'd be easy to find, but it's not. They might be more in the weeds. No, I don't see it. Is that the one lonesome one?
You gotta pick it yourself.
Okay.
It's not big, but she'll do. Birthday candle.
There's my birthday candle. Success. Yeah.
Jeez.
It looks like a bandit.
Your head to the right. Give me a couple coughs. Alright.
Wow. Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jessica. Happy birthday to you. Where's your candle?
Put your candle out. Not on the cake. Damn 2020. She's not in her 20s anymore.
Oh no!
Oh, that was so perfect. Like, it was perfect if I could probably have.
Yum. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it does actually.
Can't have it.
Oh, thank you. Yum. That was a fun social distancing birthday. Now your car's, oh yeah, it's tight.
This unprecedented time.
Great success.
I had a fun birthday. Thanks for all your help, honey.
I'm there for you.
I love how this eye, the eyeshadow is still on point, but this one is messed up because this eye always likes to misbehave.
2 hours later.
Picnic is over. Now we're going to pick up mozza. Pizza for mozza. Que bella. We're gonna eat the pizza and the cheese, even though all I've eaten today is the carbs and the cheese and the cake.
Don't forget the beets.
But it's my birthday. I'll go back to being healthy.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands. Why have we hit every stoplight in Hollywood? There's no traffic. There's nobody here. So you're gonna have to make a U-turn. Sure.
Here you go, sweetie.
Thank you. Single light.
What is this light even on for? It's a red.
There's nobody waiting for this light. The universe hates us and doesn't want us to eat our mozza pizza. Oh look, we hit another light in which nobody is waiting to turn.
And number 20.
Remember when we used to go to Universal and see movies all the time?
No, it's so long
Wow, wow, wow.
Never hit this light. Haven't hit this light in 5 years.
Every freaking light! What do you think it is? Is there a conspiracy against us?
They don't want our pizza to be eaten hot.
Toss it up.
Meat lovers.
Got some little basil from outside. I don't think they would have put basil on this. There's no room on the table. Okay, let's eat.